So, I know the title of this video is going to be New Vlog Demons. That'll do it. Man, have I really been stepping in it lately. From SD cards getting completely obliterated, to cameras not recording video, to cameras recording video and not recording audio, to microphone adapters falling off. It just kind of, all kinds of nonsense is going on lately. And I've just kind of been dealing with it, rolling with the punches. But as a new page, as a new channel, it is really demotivating, if that's a word, demotivating. Just sucking and pulling the motivation from you. You know, I wanted to go down to pushing out one video a week because I felt as though that would give me a lot more content to pull from. And then I go and have a week like last week where I've got a bug on the camera lens. I've got an entire SD card completely gone. I've got, you know, a ton of video with no audio. And it's just like, what is going on? Like, I hit the ground running, and now I'm stumbling, and I don't know what it was. I'm gonna chalk last week up as a loss. We're gonna roll with the footage that we have from the Dexter trip, and we're gonna do our best to kind of make up for that next week and push some hard content next week. I'm a little bit low on footage, and so I think what I'm gonna do is maybe take you guys on a little montage shot. Yeah, that's actually a really good idea. Take you guys on a little montage through Kansas, and kind of show you guys one of the routes that I really enjoy. It goes from here to Winfield to Dexter, Kansas. I guess we'll stop off at the candy factory in Dexter, Kansas, pick up a few things for the kid, and then just kind of cruise back. So I think we'll snap our fingers and head into that now, and you know, let's see what we can put together.
Sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted. Wake
kind of took the long way getting back in, but this is one of my favorite routes just when I'm back in Wichita, just because just a kind of different kind of vibe back here, and so I really like it. And I'm not really ready to deal with all the red lights and the traffic and everything, so I think I'll just kind of mosey on back in. I am hot. I am ready to be back home. Look, I'm really low on footage from this week. I've been fighting with SD cards. I've been fighting with cameras. I'm ready for a new week. I'm ready for some new footage. I'm ready to sync up with some people and kind of put something together. You know, I don't feel like I've done very much this week anyways, just kind of been focused in on work. We've got some new projects at work, some new things that we're pushing, so I've just kind of been zoning in on those. So next week though, I want to set up some meetups with Cooper, and I want to hang out with Ethan, and I want to get some video with Luke, and then I need to chase down Braxton. Who else? Like, there's a whole slew of people that, you know, I found through our Wichita Facebook pages for motorcycle riders, and wow, take a look at that guy. So shoot, I forget what I was saying. I have a whole bunch of people that I want to network with, and I'm really excited. I really want to just sync up with the community out here. You know, back in Orlando, I had like this great community, and when I got here, I worked nights, and so the only people I really knew were those that were on the same shift as me. Over time, I've expanded my friend group, and some of those people are not car people or not motorcycle people, or those events are different than, you know, the norm, and I want to showcase those. But motorcycles for me has just always been really integral to you know, who I am. And then recently, in recent years, I've really picked my hobby back up and run with it. And I want to showcase that first, and then I want to sprinkle in, you know, the rest of my day-to-day. But this is a MotoVlog, and I want it to be MotoVlog centric. So that's why I do things like, you know, take trips out to Dexter, Kansas, which I really hope you guys enjoy the footage. Or why I have that list that I put together pre-COVID, you know, 2019, I put together that list, and I didn't get an opportunity to go and do all those things. So now I'm chasing it down, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So either way, it's been a long day, and it feels good to be back in Wichita. So I think I'm going to sign off for now, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.